your brain won't stop worrying and how to fix it. Ever had that moment where you're just chilling and suddenly your brain goes, hey, remember that embarrassing thing you did 5 years ago? Or even worse, what if something terrible happens tomorrow? Boom! Now, you're stuck in a loop of overthinking. Welcome to anxiety. A little bit of anxiety is normal. It helps us avoid danger like not touching fire or running from a bear. Not that you see many bears in daily life, but still. The problem: anxiety doesn't always know when to stop. Sometimes it warns you about stuff that isn't even dangerous, like talking to new people or sending a text. Meet Jake, the professional overthinker. Jack is a regular guy, but his brain, it's like a security alarm that goes off for no reason. If he texts a friend and they don't reply in 5 minutes, his brain screams, they hate you. If he makes a small mistake at work, he thinks, I'm getting fired. If his heart beats too fast, he panics, am I dying? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Anxiety is like a bad movie in your head that plays on repeat. Why does this happen? Anxiety happens because your brain is trying to protect you, but sometimes it overreacts. Think of it like a car alarm that goes off even when someone just walks past. Reasons for anxiety include genetics, if your family has it. You might too. Brain chemistry. Sometimes the brain sends too many danger signals. Life stress, bad experiences can make your brain extra cautious. How to calm anxiety. Good news, anxiety can be managed. Here are some things that help. 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 trick. Jake learns a simple grounding technique. 5 things he can see, 4 things he can touch, 3 things he can hear, 2 things he can smell, 1 deep breath. Boom, his brain stops spiraling. 2. Breathe like a pro instead of panicking. Jake tries this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. She sends a message to his brain, relax, dude, we're fine. 3. Move your body. Jake goes for a walk. Science says moving helps calm anxiety. Dancing in your room, that works too. 4. Stop believing every thought. Jake starts asking himself, wait, is this actually true? Do I have any proof, or am I just assuming the worst? Most of the time, his worries aren't even real. 5. Less coffee. Water. Jake notices that coffee makes his anxiety worse. He switches to tea. Not as fun, but at least he's not shaking. 6. Talk about IT instead of bottling everything up. Jake talks to a friend. Turns out many people feel the same way. Just sharing his thoughts makes them feel lighter. And to get help if anxiety takes over your life, it's okay to ask for help. Therapy isn't just for crazy people, it's for anyone who wants to feel better. Final thought: anxiety is like a loud roommate in your head, always warning you about things that probably won't happen. But with small steps, you can learn to turn the volume down. So next time anxiety tries to take over, just remind yourself, I'm in control, not my anxiety.